Winter wildlife is much about birds. These winged travelers, often quite vocal, light up the cold skies of January. Many, like geese and ducks, are migrants from the far north, offering looks at species not always seen. Winter is a great time for waterfowl. But even common birds like robins are part of the show. They appear in surprising numbers when thawed soil offers worms and bugs. Backyard bird feeders attract many species. Sparrows flock together looking for food, and some of them, like the white-crowned and white-throated sparrows, are handsome and interesting. Colorful birds like cedar waxwings eat woodland berries. And shy species like red-breasted nuthatches may come into the open. Black-capped chickadees search for grubs and fruits. And you might see the tiny golden-crowned kinglet as it searches conifers for food. Homegrown raptors like red-tailed hawks course the fields looking for mice. And even bald eagles that normally dine on fish and sick geese may surprise a rooster pheasant along a fence line. Sandhill cranes, which normally winter far to the south, may buck up against the cold and stay in small groups where cornfields provide ready food. So don't miss out on winter birds. Even the gray season provides a show of native and migrant animals. I'm Mike Blair in the Kansas Outdoors.